Few questions. Will a teacher in my district who buys pens, pencils, paper for his students be able to deduct these costs from his tax returns under this plan?
H.R. 1 would repeal the above-the-line deduction for teacher expenses.
Will a corporation that buys pens, pencils, and papers for its workers be able to deduct those costs from its tax returns under this plan?
The general deduction for ordinary and necessary business expenses by any business entity is not changed, so it need not be.
So they would.
But yes.
Will a firefighter in my district be able to deduct the state and local sales taxes that she pays from her tax returns under this plan?
As noted previously, the itemized deduction for the election of either state or local income taxes would be repealed under H.R. 1.
And will a corporation be able to deduct sales taxes on business purchases under this plan?
Sales taxes incurred as part of the production of income would remain deductible.
Okay, so they would. Will a homeowner in my district be able to deduct more than $10,000 in property taxes under this plan?
Real estate taxes under H.R. 1 would be capped at $10,000.
Okay.
Itemized deduction.
Okay. Will a corporation be able to deduct more than $10,000 in property taxes under the plan?
Again, under the same rule I was describing as ordinary and necessary business expenses, the taxes attributable to earning income would be deductible, so the short answer is yes.
Okay. And if a worker in my district had to move because his employer is forcing him to relocate his family or potentially lose his job, can he deduct his moving expenses under this plan?
That above-the-line deduction is also repealed, Ms. Del Bene.
He would not be able to.
Correct, yeah.
But if a corporation decides to close its facilities in my district, fire its workers, and move its operation to China, say, can it deduct associated moving expenses under this plan? Or, stated another way, can a corporation under this plan deduct outsourcing expenses incurred in relocating a U.S. business outside of the United States?
Outside the United States or within the United States, those would be deductible expenses.
So would you say that this legislation treats corporations and individuals in the same terms of who gets to keep deductions and who doesn't?
I would personally not phrase the question that way, and I think that's more something that is appropriate for the members to debate.